हे एवरीवन, गौरव हियर। जिमिंग और एक्सरसाइज काफ़ी करता हूँ मैं। मेरे बैक में एक्चुअली हैवी लोड उठाने की वजह से पेन स्टार्ट हो गया था और मेरा राइट लेग भी काफ़ी पेन करता था। देन माई फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी अबाउट डॉक्टर मानसी, जो कि एक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट है, और उनने एक सेशन स्टार्ट किया जिसके बीच में हमारी एक्सरसाइज होती थी। सिंपल एक्सरसाइज से लेकर टफ एक्सरसाइज तक हम लोगों ने सब कुछ यूज़ किया उसमें। एंड धीरे धीरे हमारे सेशंस में मेरे को इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला। इवन मैं अभी वॉक भी कर पाता हूँ। मैं पहले वॉक भी नहीं कर पाता था। इवन मैं 4 स्टेप 5 स्टेप भी नहीं ले पाता था। अभी मैं रनिंग भी कर लेता हूँ और वापस मैंने जिमिंग भी स्टार्ट कर लिया है। तो थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर मानसी। एंड आपकी वजह से आज मैं चल पा रहा हूँ। दिल से शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।
Hi everyone, my name is Hina Azad and I am a working IT professional as well as a model. Well, very different streams of work, isn't it? Balancing the two has always been tedious as well. And then, being a model had to spend a lot of hours in the gym, and being an IT professional, a lot of hours on the chair gazing at the computer. Balancing the two, and of course balancing the health along with the two, has always been challenging. And it didn't appear to me or didn't occur to me until I actually ended up having some injuries in my neck and my left shoulder, leading to a lot of muscle spasm, to a level that it was recommended that I rest for months. During that point of time, I realized how important it is to get ourselves tested at the right time, especially women. They ignore their pains and believe in taking pain relievers to have the time being effortless comfort. But later on, it comes back. So how to take care of it? Well, somebody has rightly said, a physiotherapist is a person who has the brain of a scientist, the heart of a humanist, and the hands of an artist. And I was lucky enough to meet one who helped me go through all that pain time. And under her prescription, I was able to recover well and become sustainable throughout. So friends, take your health very seriously. Take physiotherapy very seriously. Understand, respect them, love them, appreciate them for the contributions they make. And definitely, I recommend them if in case you have any sort of problems with your muscles, your movements, your health, because physiotherapy adds a big difference. And until you really go through it, you try it, you experience it yourself, you will not know it. So on this big day, we really thank all the doctors who have given their services in the sector of physiotherapy. Thank you for making us so healthy. Thank you for making me one, a healthy person.
Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek and I would like to wish all of you a happy physiotherapy day. So physiotherapy actually played a really important role in my life. Back in 2018, I met with an accident where I had a bleed on the left side of my brain, and as a result, the whole right side of my body was paralyzed beneath my neck. So I was admitted to a hospital where I was treated for almost 20 days to resolve the clot basically. But even after that, I was not able to move my right side, not even a little bit. That's when physiotherapy came into play. So I took physiotherapy sessions twice a day and I followed it religiously. I had some amazing physiotherapists who assisted me in my struggle to recover. So I took it for 3 months continuously, 2 sessions each day, and I started recovering gradually. So all I would like to say is it would have been really impossible for me to recover and be normal like I am today without physiotherapy. And I would definitely recommend it to everyone who is or facing any kind of issues or any physical conditions like this. Physiotherapy actually made me much stronger. It made my core really strong, and I believed in it. I did it every day. I followed whatever my physiotherapists told me, and I used to do them very religiously, and that helped me to recover, which I never imagined that I would recover completely from a paralysis. And I thought I would have some kind of physical disability even after recovering, but thanks to physiotherapy that I did recover completely, and I'm healthy, I'm normal, and I am exactly like how I was before. So thank you, and happy physiotherapy day again.
Good morning, everyone. Wishing you all a very happy World Physiotherapy Day. So, this is Tarun Jain sharing my personal experience on how physiotherapy has helped me improving my personality, regaining all my potential, and avoiding surgery and whatnot, I can say. So, I'll just say a few lines about that. So, first of all, thank you to my doctor who helped me in rehabilitating from the injury. I had a injury in my spine, lumbar section L4, L5, wherein I was bedridden for almost 2 months. I gained a lot of weight due to that, and to strengthen my core segment and spinal area segment, I had to do rigorous training for that. So I could not do heavy exercises, but level 0, level 1, level 2, gradually I increased the exercises as recommended by my doctor and my physiotherapist, and I was able to avoid surgery. I improved my balance, work life balance, and I was able to manage my pain, due to which I was not even able to sit. And there were many things which were improved in my personality, as well as like fear of crossing a road, or going alone in a bicycle or over a motorbike. So there were many things which I was able to cope up with the help of physiotherapy. So definitely it will bring in a lot of positivity, a lot of fitness within your personality, within your mind. So enjoy the workout, enjoy physiotherapy, and stay fit always. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So on this World Physiotherapy Day, I just wanted to share a little bit of my story, that how physiotherapy helped me in my life. So some time back, I met with an accident due to which I got a fracture on my left elbow, and I'd also gotten implants. So after the normal surgical procedure, I had kept my plaster on for a few days, and then to recover the movement of my hand back, I had to undergo physiotherapy. And I think that was one of the toughest procedures that I had to physically go through, considering the fact that physiotherapy does not work on any anesthesia or anything like that. So it was like 100% of physical work that I had to do. So initially in the beginning it was a bit tough, but with the proper guidance and everything, I really felt what actually people say, that physiotherapy works like miracles. Because if I now I can say that if you strictly follow the physiotherapy exercises after your surgical treatment, only then I think that whatever the surgery that you had undergone through is worth it. Because now I can move my arm freely and properly without any defect. Had I not taken it seriously, it might have been possible that there might have been a 5% or 10% deficiency as compared to my normal arm. So yes, that's my story with physiotherapy.
Hello, my husband here, he had a stroke few years back, and he underwent craniotomy and has right side weakness. So since the beginning we have been continuing and pursuing his physiotherapy, which has helped him immensely. He is now able to walk with the help of support, and has also become independent in some activities like going back to sleep on his own and shifting from on the bed from one side to the other. All this has been possible because of physiotherapy. Thank you.
Hello, Shrikantha Savan, aged 49 years. Wishing you all happy World Physiotherapy Day, 8 September 2020. On this day, I wish to share my story. In 2018 October, I had severe left leg pain from thigh to toe, and doctors diagnosed, it was in MRI it was diagnosed that it is due to my spinal vertebrae L3 L4 disc was diffused. I was in terrible shock and very severe pain. Doctors advised me first 5 days of some painkiller injections, then 2 weeks of complete bed rest, and then physiotherapy exercises. Those days were very painful for me, and even painful for entire family actually, because I was not able to sit, I was not able to walk properly, totally bedridden for 2 weeks. Thereafter physiotherapy exercises started. All the doctors and physiotherapists explained me how it will benefit for me to come out of the pain and live normal life thereafter. Initially physiotherapy exercises were very painful, but all the doctors assured me, you just keep on doing as per the doctor's advice and you'll come out of this. And I'm very happy to share with all of you that after 2 months I was really completely out of pain, and then I could attend my full day office, then I could drive my car. That is the actually, but that is not the end of the story. That was the start of the story, that to continue physiotherapy exercises thereafter regularly for me to remain fit, and that I'm doing. My exercises are whatever explained and specified for me. That will be different for everybody based on their symptoms and cause and all. So everybody has to do the exercises only specified to them by the expert doctors and physiotherapists. For me, apparatus are very simple, like this, what you can see here, the gym ball, then there's some weights like that, okay, and yoga mat, etc. So it is my experience sharing to all of you on this day, and I wish everybody healthy and happy life, to stay fit, keep doing exercises as specified by your doctors. Thank you.
Hi, I am V. Hariharan. This is my wife Sujata. This is our son Siddharth. Siddharth is afflicted with cerebral palsy with spasticity on both lower limbs. Earlier, Siddharth used to walk on crutches with the aid of AFOs, ankle foot orthosis, as additional support to control more effectively motion of his ankle and compensate to a large extent for lack of adequate strength in the area. Also, he used to walk with his knees slightly bent. His physiotherapist introduced few additional exercises to help improve his gait while standing and walking on crutches, and also work on his core muscles. Some of the exercises that were introduced were the physio ball exercises on an extended bed with weight cuffs, exercises on bolsters, pulley exercises on protoner bar while seated on the physio ball, walking along horizontal bar, exercises on standing frame, exercises on the bench, to list just a few. Well, these are, I would show you some of the exercises. These are the exercises, some of the equipments used for therapy. Fine. With time and with continued practice and supervision by a therapist, Siddharth was able to navigate without the aid of the AFOs. He discarded the AFOs, and now, as we can well see, he is walking without the AFOs. This, we believe, is one major achievement Siddharth has recently. Fine, you're fine.
As per the routine set by Siddharth's physiotherapist, he walks for a minimum of 35 minutes daily with the help of crutches, stands with knees kept as straight as possible, alternates between different therapy sets to have diversity while staying fixed to focus on better balance and posture during navigation on crutches. On this World Physiotherapy Day, we salute all the therapists across the world and also wish them good health. It's said, sky is the limit. With physiotherapy, we feel the limit goes beyond. Happy World Physiotherapy Day.
On this occasion, I would like to thank therapists all across the world and wish them a happy World Physiotherapy Day.
Thank you.
Thank you.